Hey, what's up guys? If you have a 2007 through a brand new Wrangler, Rubicon, JL, JK, Gladiator, you know the antenna that comes with it, the simple metal antenna, doesn't look very good. It looks pretty boring to be honest with you. I found some awesome antennas from Rydonair. I've got right here their 13-inch model. Let's open it up and check it out. So here you can see a shot of my brand new Gladiator Rubicon and see how boring the simple antenna that comes with it looks. And now here in front of me I've got this Rydonair 13-inch rubber antenna. This is really nice, looks really nice. It's on the vehicle. It looks a lot more low profile, a lot cooler, a lot more tactile, just looks a lot better, let's be honest. Now this is not only a good looking antenna, it's a functional antenna as well. Now it has this adapter here that comes with it, this little adapter. It's literally, you can watch me here in this video, you can see me basically uninstalling the old antenna, and now you can see how quickly I'm able to install the Rydonair 13-inch antenna, and afterwards you can see how much better it looks on the vehicle. Now besides looking cool, it gets incredible reception. I'm now picking up radio stations from other towns where normally I could barely get the stations in my area to come in clear. It comes in much better with this Rydonair antenna. Now it also has this carbon fiber at the base, which just makes it look really cool on your Jeep. Whether you have a Wrangler, a Rubicon, a Gladiator, whatever you have, if you replace your old metal antenna with one of these Rydonairs, you are going to love the way it looks and the way it sounds.